Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to use a snipping tool to document your lab using the circuit simulation software. So here's our lab setup, and I want to go get the snipping tool by finding it in my search box down here on the bottom left. Just type the word snip, and that's going to locate the snipping tool app, and open that app up. You have a couple different modes. You can do a rectangular box. You could grab the whole window, or if you like, you can grab the full screen. Any of those will work. For right now, I'll take the default rectangular snip just to show you what it does. So I'll click on rectangular snip, and now all I need to do is draw a box around the contents of that image that I want. So I'm going to catch that stuff right there. There it is, and then I can save this snip to my drive, and I now have that as a PNG that can be submitted with my documentation. So I would call this Lab 6, and this is exercise 12. So Lab 6, exercise 12. Save that to your downloads or to wherever you're going to get it to upload. So I have that document saved. To take this one step further, you can insert that into a document. So I'll have a Word document over here. I'm going to insert this into that right there. So you're going to insert your pictures, and then you locate to the download folder or wherever you saved it. And there it is for today. And I'm going to insert that right in that location. And so then I can build my lab document using those inserted photos. And I also have the ability to resize this if I wish to fit whatever my needs are. So that's using the snipping tool to take a screenshot and document your lab footage.